On Fusion, teachers can mark students' work. So I'm in some homework here, and this student submitted a Word document. I can click on it, and if I see something that needs correcting, I can go to this pencil icon to edit the document. I can select part of the text, and I can use this marking tool in the toolbar. And there's a number of quick instant marks that I can drop into the text. So for example, if that word was misspelled, I could just click there, and it puts a bracket around the word and tells the student that it's a spelling error. If I want a new paragraph, place my cursor, go back to the marking tool and put in a new paragraph mark. And when I'm done marking, I click to leave the student feedback. Now obviously the marks that you're using may not be exactly the same as ones used in your school, so you can edit these. To do that, as an administrator or an admin manager, go to Manage, Marking Scheme. The marks are all here, and all of these can be edited or deleted, or you can add a new mark. And that will ensure that this marking scheme matches the marking scheme used in your school exactly.